ka kabait. So we are here in the why not to have a buffet. So slowly because no leftover. Hello everyone, this is May de los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Good morning everybody. So we are ready to go out. We're ready to having breakfast buffet in Why Not. So let's see what's going on there when we are go there. So look at my body is already ready. So me is ready. So time to go. So that's our Christmas light there. Our Christmas tree. That's Sahira's Christmas tree. No gift yet. Not yet. So next time I will change that curtain there. So yeah. So if I do like this to the other side, it is not clear. So I don't know why. Our light here is not really good. Our lighting is not good. Hello, baby Coco. So go, bye, see you. Ha? Nanti ka kabait. So we are here in the why not to have a buffet. So slowly because no leftover. I just survive.
But if you don't finish, you will pay 200.
So you survive. How about fruits? No more?
Oh, mommy!
It's first time I saw you finish everything in your plate. Huh? Oh, there's a langaw.
If there's a story like that 200, I'll finish.
You will finish. If not,
I don't
no. So second batch.
not yummy. I will not finish. Kulit ka ng kanang circle. Kuha mo.
You hold this one. You video.
Tarunga ka.
Wala pa food.
Wow. Yeah.
Wala. Alam ko no. Ana ang pagkuan oh. Yummy.
Yummy.
There's a why not buffet, guys. Sana all.
Unsa na video ni mo, ma?
Wala.
Oh, sige, sagit pa na niya.
We walk over there.
Oh. Want to see what's there?
So guys, see you later.
Yummy.
So guys, Syra want to drop by here to take a ice cream.
See you.
But it's see you
See you.
at 2 p.m. at Zoe's School. They're close by. Yeah. So
What's
this is
meant? See you.
the owner of this is I don't know.
Sorry, we are
Close.
Close.
Zoe's Scoops. So this is the style here. Oh, lechon. So we walk going to that something there. So gipalakaw jud kong sahira guys. Kay muli-li siya unsay naa dere. Nakapoy yan eh. Pwede naman wagi ko dire.
And of course, we'd like to thank our British family, Miss Malika and Josh Malika. Miss, Josh, thank you.
Pwede raman gud wagi ta. Pwede raman mulusot ta dira. Malantaw sa tabing. Muna siya happening story guys. Hallelujah. Kusog ka po dahil. Go!
For the last finisher, okay? We will welcome the last finisher. In a grand manner. Wala pa naman, mahanda ko.
Bang! Dr. Jose Rizal.
So,
Dr. Hussein Rizal.
by the time we do the award,
Si Dr. Hussein Rizal and connecting sa mana. Behind.
I don't know.
Ano ba?
It's si Sahira na. Sahira. Hi guys, so thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hocoquera. So enjoy your life guys with your family and I will say bye bye. See you.